How to fix leaked Snapchat snaps. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch your Snapchat application. Make sure that it is up to date and you are logged in. Now, firstly tap on your Bitmoji option and head to the setting gear icon. From this list of options, select the option of two-factor authentication. Always ensure that you have activated your two-factor authentication. You will always receive a unique OTP code which you can enter every time you log in on a new device. This will protect your snaps, your account, and private chats safe from hacks. Head back from here and scroll down until you find an option of I need help. In the customer support, you can go ahead and enter the keywords such as fix leaked Snapchat snaps or recover leaked Snapchat snaps. Now, you may find articles related to the problem. However, there is no guarantee that there is a solution for your snaps being leaked. However, to further prevent this to happen again, make sure to activate the multi-factor authentication. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.